Hello everyone, it's Rustus here. So today I have an unboxing to share with you guys. A few weeks ago, KnitPro contacted me and asked me if I'm interested in trying their Mindful collection. So before, I haven't tried KnitPro needles before, but I often heard good things about their products. So of course I immediately say yes, I would like to try their needles and this Mindful collection. So I received the package last Friday, which is this. It's their Mindful collection. So in the video today, we're just gonna show unboxing, like see what's in this box. And it's very exciting because I love the color and the design, the pattern on the top. In the unboxing video, you will see what's inside here, what they sent to me, and what product they have in this collection. I'm gonna make some separate video talking about different products they sent to me. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's start. Okay, let's do this. So on the outside box, it said to be mindful is to be in the moment. The Mindful collection. It's from KnitPro. Open up. Look at this beautiful box. So I really like the color. It's a turquoise teal color. Well, in Taiwan we call this Tiffany blue because it looks like a Tiffany box color. Let's take this out. So it's very well made box. You got a handle. You also come with a strap, so that you can carry either your project or your needles in this bag. So I think that's very convenient and very practical as well. So as you can see, the zipper is also very pretty. I think this is the symbol. I think we will see it later. It's one of the 7 symbols of the Madonna, I think. Anyway, we will go back to it later. So let's open up. The zipper is very easy to open. It doesn't jar or it doesn't like stuck. So it's very easy to open up. Look at it. So the top here got some another compartment which you can put maybe your pattern, the papers, or any accessories or equipment you want to put in here. So let's open up. Oh, they really sent a lot. And they sent a lot of things. So I think it's their whole collection. They sent some of the needles, the cables. They also sent, oh, this very pretty, this color, also teal. I love how their theme is very cohesive. Everything, the color with the packaging. It's very. You can tell it's from the same collection, and everything echoes one another, and everything just fits perfectly here. So that's their introduction book, the Mindful collection. So it's what is mindfulness and a little bit of introduction. So this is this symbol is in all their, like the top of their box, and then also the packaging. You can see this symbol everywhere. I believe this is the Madonna symbol, and it just represents the calm, the power of healing. And then and that's the introduction of this collection. Okay, so that's that. So let's see what's in here. Oh, that's cute. A little like exercise and stretching to help you relax a bit. If you get a bit tired of knitting, can get up and do some exercise. So let's see these. So those are cables, so teal cables. What I love about these as well is even they do a special cable with the same color. Let's open one to have a look. Yeah, look at this. Look at the cable, it's just very beautiful. The color of the teal. So later we will do more in-depth introduction of this each item, so accessories, and I believe there's a needle set in there as well. Today we just have a look what's inside. So that's the cable. So the needle set comes with this swivel knit cable. So this is their 360 rotation mechanism cable, which will make turning work much easier. So I'm very excited to try this one because this is gonna be my first time trying these swivel cables. So that's that, and that's their stainless. So these are fixed needles. Those two are, so those two both are fixed needles, yeah. And those are needle tip. So it's for interchangeable needles and needle tips, and then you can buy those tips and then buy the cable, and then you can assemble them together. So they also sent the DPN. So this is their DPN set. And so this is the single point needles. Look at this is very beautiful. The top, the stop. Look at this teal. I think it's made out of wood. And very beautiful. Okay, and let's see what accessory we have. So this one is a sterling silver plated metal needle gauge. Okay, so it's like this. And okay, this one is the teal retractable tape measure. I'm excited to open it to have a look, but then that's what it looks like. You can see this symbol again, and with a Knitpro brand in the middle. I will do detailed introduction of each accessory later. And I also like all the accessories come with this beautiful mate. So this is like a fabric material pouch. So I think this is very good quality. Another concept of this collection is environmental friendly, so that you don't see any like a plastic packaging. Everything is recyclable and reusable, and that's what I haven't seen in other brands, because other brands they always come with a plastic zipper bag, or everything here is made out of recyclable materials, and the accessories that provide here is all reusable as well, so you can use it for other purpose if you want to. So again, the stitch marker, more stitch marker. So sterling silver plated, okay, chakra, that's what it's called. So that's the stitch, the zipper of the box. It's called chakra stitch marker. Yep. And this is row counter. Oh, so many things they sent. Gosh, so this collection is just really complete. It comes with all the knitting accessories that you will need for knitting, and again, all the colors, all the design is very cohesive. You can tell clearly it's from the same collection. Yep. So this. Okay. So this is the interchangeable needle set. So this is their Gratitude set. Okay, so stainless steel interchangeable needle, and this is a 30 centimeters tip, which is a 5 inches tip. So in here you will have a set of 12 pairs of interchangeable tips. So from size 3mm to 12mm. So you have. So this is a very good complete set that you can have this, and then you can. It will be able to do most of the project, you know. So with the cables and accessories. So also you see the back is very beautiful, you know, with this symbol, Gratitude set. So let's just have a look this inside. So you got beautiful 12 needles nicely put together. And here is another pouch, and with all the accessories inside. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing of Knitpro, the Mindful collection. And if you guys interested in knowing more details about this collection, then I put the link of their website in the description, and you can go to the website and read their inspiration and their story about this collection. Okay, so if you guys like this type of video, so please press like or share, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment. I will reply those comments. Before then, I'll see you next time. Adios.